In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use layers in AutoCAD. Layers are the backbone of an organized drawing, letting you separate different elements. Control how they look and manage visibility with ease. Getting them right at the start will save you time and frustration later. Begin by opening AutoCAD. With your drawing space ready, open the Layer Properties Manager. You can do this by typing LA into the command line and pressing Enter, or by clicking the Layer Properties icon in the Home tab on the ribbon. This panel is where you'll create and manage every layer in your file. Next, create a new layer. Click the New Layer button or press Alt+N. Give your layer a clear, meaningful name, like walls or dimensions. Consistent naming helps you and anyone else working on the file instantly understand what belongs where, which becomes critical on larger projects. Now assign properties to the layer so it behaves and looks the way you need. Click under the Color column to choose a color that distinguishes this layer from others. Color isn't just cosmetic. It often maps to plotting settings so your printed line weights are predictable. Then set the linotype. For example, continuous lines are great for walls, while dashed lines might represent hidden elements. Finally, set the line weight to control how thick lines appear on screen and on paper. Thicker line weights emphasize major elements. Lighter ones are ideal for annotations like dimensions. The key is consistency. Pick a system and use it across your layers. When you are ready to draw on a specific layer, make it the current layer. In the Layer Properties Manager, simply double-click the layer name. You'll see a green check mark indicating it's active. Anything you draw from this point forward goes on that layer, inheriting the color, linotype, and line weight you just set. If something doesn't look right, it's often because it was drawn on the wrong layer. So checking the current layer first is a great habit. Before you start drafting in earnest, set up your initial layers rather than relying on defaults. Create the handful you'll need, such as walls, doors, windows, dimensions, and text, and assign their properties now. This upfront setup keeps your file clean, makes editing faster, and ensures your drawing reads clearly both on screen and when plotted. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.